let me talk of 4 stages of food and 4 fundamental insights for each of these stages of food. The first stage of food is the way it is grown. When you grow food in the farm, remember this one principle alone. What you cannot put on your skin, please don't put it on the body of the plant. Just as our skin suffers, so too the plant suffers. And that suffering of the plant energetically becomes the part of our body and becomes sickness in us. The second stage of food is cooking. Everything in this universe has a field of energy around it. Our emotions too are fields of energy that cause impressions. That is why in India, when you visit a home where death has happened and you return, they ask you to have a shower and change clothes. Why? One of the many reasons is that your clothes and your skin carry the impression of sadness in that house as thoughts. Wash your body with turmeric water or salt, you are washing away those sad thought impressions. Similarly, while coming to food, one has to be conscious of the emotional state you are in. Your anger, sadness, or fear does become impressions on the food you're cooking and will generate similar thoughts in the ones who are eating it. If you are joyful and peaceful while cooking, people who eat your food will feel upbeat and positive. One of the most important factors we look into for our chefs on the campus here is the levels of happiness or unhappiness. The third stage of food is what you eat and when you eat. I will only say this much to you. Feel how your body feels after eating. If it feels heavy and drowsy after eating, don't eat that food. If you feel too agitated and uneasy and does not allow you to sleep, don't eat that food. If it makes you feel light, it makes you feel awake and fresh, I would say that food is right for you. Let not your tongue become the master and make decisions for you. Let your awareness be your master regarding when you should eat. The best time to eat is when the sun has still not gone down the horizon, and give a gap of 14 hours between the last meal of the day and the first meal of the day. The fourth stage is how to eat. The ancients say Annam Parabrahma Swarupam, which means that spoon of food in your hand today contains the entire universe in it. It is universal consciousness itself. So before you eat, pause. Take a clear look at the food in your plate with total awareness of color and smell. Breathe slowly. And for a few moments, thank the earth, the wind, the sun, the moon, the rains, the earthworms, the farmer, the chef, everyone who went into making the food. Thank them all. Thank the universe for blessing you with this food and begin eating. Eat slowly. Hold the food in your mouth for a few seconds before you chew it. This kind of eating, like a meditation, will for sure prevent every eating disorder, weight gain problem, and make you into a joyful and a radiant person. Let food become such a conscious act of meditation.